any website, how to we can upload by XML sitemap on particular website. First of all, download your XML sitemap. XML sitemap main reason is called indexing count and page count and page modification. Page count, index count and page modification. The three is very important. First of all, copy the URL. Dynamic website or static day-to-day update is very important. Up to free links, there will be support 500 links. How many links? 500. More than 500, you can go for upgrade plan. Or else, developer to say to implement the sitemap generator. Sitemap generator. Suppose you don't have any developers, you can go for upgrade plan. Go for upgrade plan. So they are totally page count here. 25, 26, the page count here. Give me a few seconds.